then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit?
Yeah, so this is how it's looking. Let me turn on the light, because the light is not on. Okay, so far we got 2 couches. I'm gonna put some type of shoe thing right here. We're gonna move a lot of stuff around. This is how it's looking right now, but it's real cute. We got a cute little mirror, and this is what the living room looks like. We're gonna move a lot of stuff around. We're gonna put our other TV out as well. We got the starter garbage can, our food pantry, or whatever we end up gonna put in there, refrigerator, this little thing. I don't really know what we're gonna use a lot of the stuff for. Like I said, we just got in here, but I really wanted one of these, y'all. It's one of those things where you cut it on and then it lights your candles. Hold on. Saying I had to put it on the charger. It's been off the charger. For right now, this is all temporary stuff that we have in here. We probably gonna change a lot. Microwave, washer and dryer, of course the air fryer. Got us some coasters so we don't leave no ring marks on here. And yeah, I gotta put those dishes away. But yeah, we got us some little dishes, y'all. Just some starter dishes. And here, everything is very much starter. So yeah, comes with a dishwasher too, but I don't think either of us is gonna use the dishwasher for real. But yeah, it's a real cute vibe, little ceiling fans or whatever. But yeah, so that's just how it looks in here right now so far. Space is really big though. The space is real big. We got our TV mounted already, our closet, Wi-Fi set up. We just gotta fix everything. The bathroom, it's cute in here. Cute little shower, little situation going on. Nice mirror, really big mirror. I like that. Yeah, extra storage up there. Here. We got us these rugs last night. This is what we got so far. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with all the different decorations that we do and add, but for right now, this is what, this is what we got. We chilling. Xbox One, my bad. TV, and yeah, we good. So we added this and this. I just told y'all we was gonna add that, but yeah, we added it already. And yeah, excuse how messily it's open, but we just got this. And it comes with everything we don't have. Well, we got this. We got 3 of these, actually. We got 3 whisk. But we got another one. Spoon. Slotted spoon. Spatula. A candle opener. Can opener, not a candle opener. Y'all, we got a freaking cheese grater. Okay. Measuring cups. Soup spoon. What's this? Yeah, this, I'm not really sure what this is. It might be a cake knife. This is a bottle opener, bottle cap. And then, according to somebody, this is a really big spoon, but it's ice cream scooper. And yeah, that's everything that came in here.